Good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here at this forum. And at the onset, I'd say what I'm sharing with you today is the efforts that the Education Quality Foundation of India has made in the field of school education across India. It's a foundation that I've been associated with closely, and I think a lot of people in this room are familiar with the efforts they have done. Looking at the environment today in education, we all know that the budget for education has more than doubled in the last 5 years. Not only at the central level is there so much focus on education, but also at the state level, state governments are looking very aggressively at education reform, and more funding is being put into schools to improve education from all aspects. If you look at also the 12th plan where working group meetings are happening, the focus again is on access and expansion, equal opportunity, and very important, quality assurance. And as yesterday our Honorable Minister in his talk also focused on this and has been constantly emphasizing that the time has come today that we must look at school education and quality in school education, an accreditation system that can assure us that the schools across the country have quality standards and benchmarks to aspire to. In this regard, CBSE has already taken the lead and is working at setting up an accreditation system, and we are working with them for this. EQFI members are there on their working groups, so that there is a level of acceptable quality for all accredited institutions. This is their aim in setting this up, and we believe that shortly all CBSE schools would be mandated to go in for this accreditation system. Coming to EQFI, for them the focus has always been quality assurance, and about 4 years back an extensive research was done, and I encourage those of you who are interested in this to look it up on their website, where about 100 schools were closely observed across the country and worked on closely to see what they understood by quality in schools. What do our principals and teachers feel about this? And based on that research and study of international efforts in quality in school accreditation, the EQFI system is now available for schools. Quality assurance for them is achieved through an accreditation process. This has been initiated about 3 years back with the Navodaya Vidyalaya school system, where about 200 schools went through this process, and also say about 20 schools across Delhi went through this entire process. And the aim here was to ensure that all education institutions are meeting and maintaining minimum standards of quality and integrity regarding not only academics but administration and related services. The other focus here was that adhering to these standards has to be done in a systemic way. It is not only that in a school that we focus on, say, learning outcomes or extracurricular. It has to be across various facets of the school. So a systemic approach was suggested, and it worked very well when all these schools worked towards a quality accreditation for their schools. The idea was what gets measured gets done, and strong processes were laid out, and schools followed them and saw how this benefited the overall quality efforts in a school. The framework of quality accreditation is supported by an approach of assessment. One of the most important parts of the EQFI system is that policy prescription as indicators for accreditation. So whether you are a CBSE school or a state board school, the way the system is created that we look into all that is mandated not only by the school board but also by the state and the center. So the entire framework is based on policy prescription. It is evidence based. The process is based on observable parameters. It is a very systemic approach because we feel that quality is never an accident and it is always a result of systemic intervention. It is based on randomized sampling. This has proved very good to eliminate all risk of bias and error in the accreditation process, and it is extremely transparent. Everyone knows what they are being evaluated on, what are the rubrics, what are the checklists, and the assessment agency, the assessors, the schools have all these documents with them. The framework that is proved to be very successful across these schools involves 7 standards. These 7 standards are gauged across 64 very finely defined indicators. As I said, the entire process is very transparent, and the entire accreditation process, right from the teachers to the school management to the board, everyone has access to these parameters. This quote is one of my favorite. Quality is never an accident. It is always the result of high intention, sincere effort, intelligent direction and skillful execution. In fact, when we worked with schools, a lot of them said, we give very good quality education. But when they went through the entire process, they realized what a lot of work was needed to be done within the school system to make it work cohesively for quality. And I think the time has come today where with the RTE, it's not only about every child getting into a school, but are we able to ensure that the children in a school are getting the right quality? And therefore an accreditation system, both at a state level or a national level, is of paramount importance. And the EQFI framework, I suggest, is I think one of the leading frameworks in this area. EQFI is also working to help schools define their parameters of excellence. A school assessment system is also available, and where they work with schools for their vision, mission, values, the challenges the schools face, building up long-term, short-term plans, having specific performance indicators, and then working towards those in a target-driven way. The basic idea here is to have the school have clearly defined processes where right from the PN to the principal, everyone in the school is aware of the quality structure and what they are aspiring to do. So I think this is a commendable effort, and all people involved in school education today have an opportunity and access to this system that EQFI is providing. To conclude, I won't go into these details. These are samples which clearly define how this is made possible in a school. We have some very successful schools who have been doing this process and are willing to share with others who are interested. This is a sample of a process. The idea is that everything should be process driven, so that in a school, quality is not person dependent. The principal may change, the teachers may change, but if the process is well laid out, the school is always functioning and aspiring towards excellence and quality. And this framework allows that. I'll conclude with that, and thank you all, and I hope more and more people join into this quality accreditation system and help improve the state in which quality can be looked at in our schools across India. Thank you.